Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Suppose you are on your Google Drive right now and you want to upload files on your Google Drive. All you have to do is click on the new button and it will allow you to upload any file or folder or picture or any Google Sheet or Docs, anything. Just click on upload and they will allow you to browse your phone or your Android option. Then all you have to do is once you have uploaded your file or photo, you will get a three dot option on the right. Click on it. And there, if you scroll down, then they will show you an option of copy link. Then if you copy the link, they will allow you to share the Google Drive or files in your drive or the file you have or the files link you just have copied. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.